Okay, here we go. Aux Meadows. Thank you. You want to say hi on camera?
Hello.
Thank you. You hear the gulls. It's the cry of the east. The cry of the east.
This one is 54 foot long.
Wow.
The beam is 16 foot. The depth is 8 foot. She could drive low waters of 3.5 feet. She could pick up to 10 knots with her 1,000 square foot sail, or 47 foot mast to carry on the deck. She got a total displacement of about 30 tons long. Wow. Her planks are pine, the keel, the stern, and the bow is oak, and the mast is spruce. We shipped her over to Greenland, where a crew of 9 set sail from Greenland to Newfoundland in June of 1998 to recreate the same journey of 8 years. It took them 87 days to do this. There is a ramp that will walk up to your boat. I remember when they sailed that last year. You're welcome. Because in 2000, when Worsted opened up, Snorri did go back into the water again. It was for the 10th anniversary. So after Alan Carter was done here, he was donated to the Ocean Trail Tourism Organization. He got 100 men plus more cost with lots of passengers inside of his business. Wow. And they remodeled Snorri after that one. So they had a pretty good blueprint of how to build a boat.
Yeah.
Right. I remember I watched that, I think on a YouTube or maybe it was Discovery Channel, that actual ship that they discovered. You can actually see it there, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
over in Denmark, they do have it in one of their museums.
Yeah.
Because I was never over there, so I'm not sure if they got more than one museum or not.
Okay, that's right.
She's well cured for.
Oh yes, and last couple weeks ago we gave her a coating of pitch again.
Yep.
To just try to preserve the wood in that as much as possible.
Okay.
So every 2 years we do a new coating of pitch.
So is it covered for the winter? Covered over, like
The boat
just
doors, everything is shut up.
Yeah.
Like all of the doors are shut. We don't
Yeah.
put any kind of tarp
Okay,
over in that.
yeah.
We just locks the building up.
yeah.
Some
No.
years you do come down though and you got to shovel out the snow from some of the front doors, but
Yeah.
we never had no issues yet of like snow building up around it.
Yeah. So who built this building?
I wouldn't be able to say for sure because in
Okay.
1999 when Northstead was being built, there was over 40 locals
Yeah.
all working on the buildings and it took 28 weeks to build all 4 of the buildings.
Yeah. I really can't tell you what it is, so just a picture.
I know they dug up some stuff here that
Yeah.
was there, but whether it's that in fact is it or not, I don't know.
So these mounded things here, what were these, accommodations or?
Yeah, that's how
Okay.
they built. They just
Yeah.
they went in, scooped out a couple of feet of soil, and just built breams around,
Yeah.
and then built on top of the breams. But it was the same way they were doing it in Norway.
Yeah.
And that's what he was looking for when he was coming through. I knew he wouldn't find any material like the wood or anything, but he was looking for foundations.
Yeah. So who was the chief? The chief or the main, the captain or the main explorer in this? Yeah, it was Leif Erikson or
Erickson.
Leif Erikson, and Eric, like he was Eric's son. He was Eric the Red or something. Yeah.
But they figured they're going from Iceland, Greenland to here and
Yeah.
back and forth. But they know that they had like
So I guess this was their church.
Should be a cold service, I'm sure. It'd be a cold service. So as Ted was saying, probably not obviously not the original buildings, but the original footprint. Hey, how's things? All right.
We actually have 2 going over there, if you want to look at them.
Well, the yellow one is turmeric and the brown one is onion skin.
That's a dye yarn.
Oh,
Have you done a little bite?
what? We got more cats.
That piece goes over your nose. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hey, how's things? Do you rent the rooms? Do you rent the rooms by the night?
2 meals a day and
Yeah.
bouge pas trop là, je vais prendre une belle photo. Oh,
no, it's all right.
work, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ah, faut que j'enlève ça, fais-moi un beau sourire.
If you get history books, you can read this stuff all in.
Yeah, because it's just interesting, right? At the end of the day, just trying to make it kind of, well, that's boring.
Imagine no one ever knows who Porter Rockwell was. He was the most famous, not only lawman, but the most famous outlaw. Yeah, he did both.
We're getting on the short bus.
Good seats, guys.
The first shall be last.
Oh yeah, put the criminals in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, sit back here. Yep.
Ted left?
Pardon me?
Where's Ted?
He's still in there.